Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can upload audio into YouTube in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we'll come over into YouTube Creative Studio, and if we click here, upload videos and select files, and then if we select any of MP3 or any of audio, you can see we will face invalid file format like this. So how you can upload your audio into YouTube, we will going to show you in this video. So for that, we will go for our search option over here, and here we will just going to search for CapCut. So if you downloaded CapCut into your Windows operating system, then you can also go into the CapCut. But I will go for the free online video editor in CapCut, so we will going to click on it. So after that, we will come over this CapCut online video editor website, and then we will going to scroll down a little bit, and here we will find open CapCut. So click on that. After a very short time, that the CapCut video editor online will be open. And if you didn't sign in over here, then there will be a sign in option. So if you sign in there, then you will get this kind of interface over here. So after that, this kind of interface will be open into your PC, and then you will click on upload over here, and then click on upload file, and then you just need to select the audio. Click on that, and after a very short time the audio will be uploaded, and then we will going to click on it, and that will be selected into the video editor option. And then here you can give any of pictures or any of text to make it into a video. So for that, I will go for a text section, waiting for add heading, and after that going to change as podcast over here, podcast, and then this kind of interface is looking at. And then if you just try to zoom in a little bit, and if you just turning it more, and if you like try to zoom it out, and if you try to zoom it in a little bit, and then what will happen that this text will be remain to start and at the end, and that will helps you to make it as a video. So after that, you just need to click on export, and then after that, if you click on export, and then if you click on download over here, and you can set the frame rate, but I will keep it as it is, but I will just change the name with podcast, and then you can click on export, and you can see that the file is saving and it's exporting. And then if you click on download, and you can see that the download option is came in, and if you download it, and you can see the download is completed. And now we will minimize it and go for our YouTube Creative Studio and click on select files. And now if we select this podcast that we created, click on it, and you can see your audio is uploaded. It's not properly audio, but you can say it's an audio because you just want to hear it, and there is nothing without a text. So yeah, this is how you can upload audio into your YouTube. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.